Absolutely, as anticipated, the markets continued to gyrate pretty much in a narrow range in today's session. And we did witness that consolidation as well. That base formation has absolutely happened over the last couple of trading sessions. If you see in terms of Nifty 50, ended above the 19,200 mark, 19,200 to 19,250 was that range that we were looking at. And overall, a 50 to 70 point range throughout the day. If you see in terms of Sensex as well, clearly in terms of the Sensex, good moves coming in there. It held up and we saw gains of nearly around 250 to 300 points coming in with regards to where the Sensex was concerned. Bank Nifty somewhere outperformed the benchmark indices in trade today. And overall, if you see the mid cap and the small cap sectors also gained. Realty actually has outperformed and ended in the positive for a fourth consecutive session. And pharma was also another pack that we have been eyeing. In fact, Divis Laboratories will be in focus on Monday on the back of the earnings that will be reported. The mid cap index ended with gains of around 0.8%. And if you see the breadth in terms of the markets, that was absolutely in favor of the bulls. Let's quickly look at the top gainers. Apollo Hospitals next week will be reporting numbers, was the top gainer in trade today. Adani Ports, Aisha Motors, LTI Mindtree, as well as ONGC. In fact, ONGC also will be reporting earnings next week. On the losing end, you had names like Bajaj Finserv, DRL, SBI Life, IndusInd Bank, as well as a Tata Steel. In fact, if you see in terms of Tata Steel, overall, if you it's mainly a city which has gone ahead and downgraded the stock, and they have a target price of 100 on the counter. In terms of movers and shakers, MRF was buzzing on the back of earnings. Titan was on the back of earnings. Bayer Crops are strong numbers, strong moves coming in there. Patel Engineering reported a strong set of numbers. Tata Motors as well was in the positive. Apart from that, Arvind Fashion will be selling Arvind Beauty brands to Reliance Beauty and Personal. So Sephora now goes in the hands of Reliance. And that stock was up in trade. KPI Green was up on the back of an order win. Godfrey Phillips was down on the back of earnings. Zydus and Lupin, Bharat Electronics, MCX, Zomato, Container Corp, these were a few of the movers and shakers. So overall, a day of consolidation is what we've seen. And for the week, mild gains, 0.5% to 1% is what we've seen in the market.